What's up, guys? In today's video we are going to take a look at Bitcoin, which is looking absolutely amazing. I'm also going to show you a couple of altcoins I'm watching and a regular market scan of the Forex market. This video is a daily market update that I release on a daily basis within the RLZ Trading community, which is the community where we teach you to simplify your path to trading greatness. Now, if you want more information on that, make sure you hit the link in the description below. And guys, don't forget to actually like the video and subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this. I'm gonna try to be more active here on YouTube, uploading videos on a daily basis, giving you my updates and my takes on the crypto and Forex market. So make sure you leave a comment in the section below if you like these videos and if you want more. All right, good morning, guys. I've just had my breakfast, just came down to the office, and I just powered on the computer here, and this is the first time I'm opening TradingView today, so I'm going to give you my Monday morning market update. So I want to start out with looking at Bitcoin. Holy shit, it looks really goddamn good. We have already reclaimed the weekly open with that strong 4-hour candle. This is just unbelievable. This move right here is just the insanely strong move from Bitcoin, and this really does remind me of the times when Bitcoin just absolutely explodes, when you have those breakouts and it just doesn't retest that breakout area. It really reminds me of that, which is it's weird because it doesn't feel like the macroeconomics should support this. Like, fundamentally, Bitcoin was created for a scenario like this, the potential banking crisis and that sort of stuff. I want to look at the S&P 500 quickly just to get an idea of are we in a risk-on environment, or is Bitcoin actually decoupling? I don't know if that's the right word. Probably. So let's look at the S&P 500 here. Where's the S&P 500? Right here. I don't know what to say. I mean, yeah, I mean, looking at the S&P 500, if the S&P 500 can reclaim the weekly open, can get above this resistance zone right here, potentially we could be entering a sort of a risk-on environment. Especially we need to get above the daily like the daily moving averages and reclaim the monthly open. But the S&P 500 looks way more bearish than Bitcoin, which is just amazing to see, really. Just amazing to see. And what I love about this is also this recent bounce right here. And by the way, I released a video yesterday talking about how the 29K region here for Bitcoin is a very strong support resistance area. Right when I released that area, right when I released that video, we had this rejection right here at that area, but we're now seeing a move back into that resistance area. And what I really like about this move right here is it's probably a bounce inside the reload zone. If you put look at that, absolutely beautiful. And the look at that, oh wow, it's just sexy. It just looks really good. So we got that bounce inside the reload zone right there. The RLZ slingshot indicator gives us a good long signal as well. So what am I thinking in terms of Bitcoin here? Well, we have to acknowledge the fact that we are trading at a very obvious resistance area right here, which is that 29K region. Well, actually, it's the region between 28 and 29K, but let's just say 29 is easier. Now, if we reclaim this level, yeah, I do think there's a strong possibility that we come up and test that 33K to the 35K region. Very, very possible. Do I think Bitcoin is going to break out here? I don't think so, but it looks probable. It actually looks quite probable. This is a solid long setup here, long signal on the RLZ slingshot. Let's add the Fibonacci tool to the slingshot indicator as well. By the way, the slingshot indicator is we pushed forward the release date to the 10th of April. Because we're running that Prime XPT competition. And guys, don't forget to sign up to that one. Registrations are opening today. Look at that, beautiful. Let's add the TP signals as well. And curious to see where the stop loss level got placed on this one and what the average R of this setup is right here. It looks like it's probably hitting that TP1 right at this very moment. Let's wait for the so stop loss, beautiful. 2R from the 2R trade on average, absolutely beautiful, perfect setup. So definitely good job on the RLZ slingshot to find that one. So looking at Bitcoin here, let's try to, we got a lot of stuff to look at, so let's try to be a little bit quicker. So if we do see a rejection at this area, I'm looking at this level below, right, the breakout area around 25k. So if we do see a solid rejection here and kind of break these lows right here, I do feel like the 25k area down here is a very solid level for Bitcoin to retest. But if we reclaim this resistance area as support, like maybe a break and retest of that area like this, there's a highly probable that price starts trading up towards the 33 to the 35k region. Right, let's take a look at altcoins. Let's go to the Prime XBT altcoin list right here, and we're just gonna go through it quickly. You know what? We're not gonna do that. We're gonna go through the RLZ slingshot indicator alerts first, because we do have quite a lot of altcoin alerts triggering right now. So let's look at the first alert, which is on EGLD. Now let me show you how I'm doing these scans using the indicator. So this in my opinion is not really a trade. So we're just gonna go through and see if we can. Well, mana looks good. Mana looks really good. Now I'm not really sure where the fib placement is on this one. If we can go to the 1 hour, yeah, we could definitely put a fib from that low to this high right here, then go back on to the 4 hour, and yeah, I mean, this looks really good. We had a 4 hour candle hitting the midpoint of the reload zone, closing that 4 hour candle as a bullish engulfing candle above the 50% fib. Also confident with the weekly open and the monthly open. We got a stochastic RSI bull cross on the current candle as well. EGLD does look like a solid long opportunity right here, considering we have a good level right here. So yeah, we're actually hitting, we haven't really reclaimed that support level, but this is interesting. Now what I want to see is the local trend break. So if we have a local bullish break in market structure like this, I think this would be a good trade. So I'm keeping that one on the list. I'm moving that one to the orange list. And let's go to XMR. First on mana, I'm going to be adding an alert right here. And then let's go to XMR, which is the second one. Very good looking long signal here as well. It's trading a little bit too high, but overall this chart looks absolutely beautiful, and it looks like we have a high time frame breakout waiting to happen. We can definitely add a zone right here, and then if you go out to the daily, yeah, I mean, a move up towards this level right here definitely seems probable. So what I would be looking for is some sort of 4 hour break and retest here, and then a move up to this level. That would actually be a solid trade. It's a potential 10% move on XMR. That would be a solid trade on this one right here. Kind of like a break and retest of the support level up to that major resistance level. So I'm going to keep this one on the orange list as well. Now let's move down to Link. Now, what's Link giving us? Not really something, not really very good, because it's it's at that resistance area. We could definitely put a resistance here, and if this level breaks, that would be amazing. We would have a high time frame breakout on Link, and I think it's time to buy Link if it breaks this area to the upside. So a lot of things going on in the crypto market, which is amazing right now. Bitcoin is just breaking out and moving very bullishly, and we do have a lot of altcoins looking like they're right at the major resistance point. And if we break through that resistance point, you know, we don't have that not that strong resistance above. So there's a big possibility that we could see some, dare I say it, an altcoin season, right? So next one is Tesos. I like it. Now this looks pretty good. I mean, it's a good signal if you ignore the weekly open, but then you have that weekly open right there, so it's not really a good signal. So let's remove that one. Dodge is still in a major downtrend. I don't like Dodge here. We have a lot of signals for Link because I did a mistake with the alert here. So for altcoins, we have, let's see, for altcoins we have, well, we're in Clay right now. That's our open position on Clay. Obviously not looking great. I mean, it's obviously not looking great because of the fact that Bitcoin is moving very nicely. I'm going to keep that position open. But other than that, we have Mana and Link, which is the altcoins that I'm going to be watching more closely. And then if you look at the Forex market, well, first of all, we have an open trade on Euro GBP, which is looking absolutely fantastic, looking very good. And I feel like I kind of need this to be a winner as well, because I'm around break even this month, which is a huge, like a big contrast compared to last month, which was quite profitable, and then the month before that was like a 10% winning month, a really good month, and that was also the month that got me funded with the 55ers, so that was really good, right? So, but now I'm around break even. I would love to, get in profit, because I've been in profit for the last, 4 months, so it would be cool to keep that monthly winning streak going. But it doesn't matter. I'm just going to be following that process, right? Just follow the process and everything's going to be good. GBP JPY. All right, GBP JPY is absolutely dying right here. Interesting signal, but not a tradable signal at this time. So let's remove that. We have NCD JPY. Holy shit. So this was actually a trade that I know Mo talked about in the community right here. Very a lot of emotions, a lot of feelings around this trade, which definitely I understand, because yesterday I said, yesterday before going to bed, I said like I gotta wake up early because the first alerts come at 6 a.m. in the morning. And when did this alert trigger? Well, around 6 a.m. So my son actually woke me up 5 minutes past 6, and I'm like, let me be. I want to sleep. So I went up like at 7:30 and woke up to messages from Mo saying like, wake the fuck up. And so this would have actually been a quite solid trade, because when you have this candle given the short signal, I probably would have wanted to have my entry triggers on maybe here, maybe a little bit lower, right? Maybe just a little bit lower, perhaps here. So you go up to the 4 hour, you see that, that would have been hit beautifully right there. And then, TP1 down around that area would be a beautiful trade. This one would probably hit TP1 first soon. So yeah, that's a missed trade. It's definitely a missed trade, but this shows the power of using the indicator as an alert system, right? You can trade it, when scalping, you can trade it actively on the lower time frames, just following the signals. But the alert system is really what makes this shine and what makes this a really, really good indicator, because I don't have to do any market scanning. Look, I'm just going through the alert log in TradingView. Now, if you don't have the indicator and you only have access to the Discord channel, you have these signals right here. You can go into the RLZ slingshot category, and you have the Forex 4 hour and the Crypto 4 hour signals right here, and these are the same signals that I go through on a daily basis, and these are the ones I'm trading. These are the ones I'm trading profitably, and it's working really well. Now again, if you want access to the indicator directly, you have to wait for till it's released on April the 10th. So that's NCD JPY. We don't have a fill, which looks interesting, but I think that's it. So let's take a quick look at the news. Do we have anything interesting going on in terms of news? So let's first look at the economic news calendar for daily FX to see if we have anything interesting right here. Today we have nothing, but I know that on Wednesday we have. I'm trying to make it like a sound like excite you guys, which I guess just ended up with me sounding retarded. I wish I could cut that out of the video, but I'm not going to do that. So here we are. FOMC economic projection, the Fed interest rates on Wednesday, March the 22nd, 2 days, 19:30 UTC. I will be live 30 minutes before this webinar. I'm probably going to be restreaming it to my YouTube channel as well, but you can find this live on Prime Speed Academy as well. All right, that's it. That's it for the market update. So I'm going to try to do these market updates on a daily basis going forward. So every day I'm going to have these market updates, maybe not 10 minutes or 15 minutes every time, but just on a daily basis. I'm going to give you guys my first initial thoughts in the morning when I come down to my office, kind of give you guys a head start in the market. All right, guys, that's it. Take care and see you guys in the next